Let me show you all of the voicemail settings on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. So first of all, we'll need to open our phone dialer. To access the voicemail settings, click on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen and go into the settings. After that, we'll be able to find the voicemail right here, and then we can select our card. And after that, we can see the settings. So first thing is notifications. You can adjust how notifications will look like for the voicemails. Then we have the option for visual voicemails. If your carrier does support that, then you will receive visual voicemails. If it doesn't, then probably you won't be able to enable this option. You can call your carrier to ask about it. Then go to advanced settings, and here you can change the service. In this case, set it to your carrier, and then finally you'll be able to set up your voicemail number. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.